Good afternoon, parents and Cougars, and welcome to week 22 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here this week at Simons Middle School, as you can see from the pictures in the connection. We do have our first ever champion for the SMS Amazing Shake, and we'd like to congratulate Lane Moran for winning first place. And for second place, we did have a tie between Bobby Applegate and Hadley Singer. So congratulations to these students and to all of our 8th grade students who participated in the Amazing Shake. This was an excellent opportunity to see them grow as people here at SMS. And I do want to shout out to Mrs. Crystal Thayer for organizing the shake and those events, and for being the person who's going to be taking these kiddos to Atlanta in March. So thank you, Mrs. Thayer, and congratulations, SMS Cougars. We do want to take a moment and go over the weekly events for this week. We did have NTI Day number 1 on Friday of last week. So students, please make sure that you bring your work in on Monday and turn that in. On Monday, we will have an admin team meeting at 8. There are no events currently on the calendar for Tuesday. On Wednesday, it is Mrs. Lawson's birthday. So happy early birthday, Mrs. Pauletta. It is also going to be 8th grade high school scheduling and unified arts classes. And we do have a school-wide spelling bee that's going to take place during 5th period. Those students who are going to be participating are classroom winners. So those classroom winners have been already selected or have already moved on to round 2. So we'll have round 2 this week on Wednesday. On Thursday, we do have a JAG guest speaker from the Highway Department. Mrs. Perkins will also be visiting classes for ILP work in the library on Thursday and Friday. And Thursday is our 100th day of school. Friday is Bring It Friday as always. And students in ELA classes, you will be having your K-Prep Bootcamp article number 2. One other thing that is upcoming, parents and students at SMS, is Simons Middle School is having a sweetheart dance. It's going to be on Thursday, February the 9th. It'll be after school until 5. 7th and 8th grade students are invited to attend. It is $10 a couple or $5 for a single. We will have concessions that evening. We'll have nachos, cotton candy, drinks, and all funds do go to fund our Washington, D.C. trip. I know I've had several students or parents inquire about why we're having fundraisers for the D.C. trip. But we do still have a few open spots for our second bus for the DC trip, and each one of those seats that does not get sold or get used by a student or paid for by a student, we have to pay for it as a school. So all fundraisers from here on out will probably be to help offset the cost of that trip. We do want to take a moment today and shout out our spotlight, Garrett Hamilton. Garrett is an 8th grade student here at SMS. He is also a football player, a basketball player, and a baseball player for the SMS Cougars. And just a few weeks ago, with the support of school administration, he decided to cut his mullet to raise some money for our Washington, D.C. trip scholarship fund. So by cutting his mullet, Garrett raised a little over $400. So we just want to take a moment and shout out to Garrett. He is a standout student. He's great in class. He asks a lot of questions, works diligently, sets goals for himself, and he carries himself with compassion and humility. He is also very caring, has a great big heart, and I know he also he has a huge heart for his brother, his twin brother. We call him Shammy. So he always leads with a servant heart, and we just want to take a moment and tell you, Garrett, how proud we are of you. He leads our Silver Snakes team in Alex growth and is already working in Algebra 1 content. He does a tremendous job of balancing his school responsibilities and his extracurricular activities, showing growth and success in both areas. He's also a member of the Impact Leadership Program at SMS, and he's currently preparing for his first formal debate. He's excited about running for high school student council, and while he isn't busy with school, he enjoys riding four-wheelers in the mud and spending time with his family. So shout out to Garrett. Thank you, Garrett, for always bringing it. I can't wait to see what amazing things you do at Fleming County High School and the rest of your time here at Simons Middle School. For last week, our Achieve 3000 leaderboard, we do want to congratulate the following students. On Monday, Amelia Maynard. Tuesday, Summer Harmon. Wednesday, Dylan Oliver. Sorry, Dylan, I spelled your name wrong. Jason Puckett on Thursday, Rayburn Meeks on Friday, and our 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above our Allison McLean in 7th grade with 8 activities, and Summer Harmon in grade 8 with 9 activities. And congratulations to Dylan for being our weekly top scorer. And this is our Alex leaderboard. We have had a little bit of movement. Congratulations to these students for being up on the wall. And students, keep working. I know some of you are very close to reaching that 85% threshold. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.